Welcome back to Explore Error. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Ghost Touch problem on your iPhone using a simple setting. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Inside Settings, scroll down a little and tap on Accessibility. Next, look for the section called Physical and Motor and tap on Touch. On the next screen, tap on Touch Accommodations. Now turn on the Touch Accommodations option by tapping the toggle switch at the top. After you enable it, turn on Hold Duration. Then set the time to around 0.10 seconds using the plus and minus buttons. This makes your iPhone wait a very small moment before it registers a touch, which helps stop random or accidental touches. Next, turn on Ignore Repeat. You can also adjust the time here. This setting tells your phone to ignore repeated touches that happen too fast, which is often the reason behind the Ghost Touch problem. After turning on these options, go back and start using your phone normally. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.